Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm very happy you are here today. Before we begin, take a slow breath. You don't need to talk. You don't need to respond. Just listening is enough. Today, we are going to talk about spending time alone comfortably. Not feeling lonely, not feeling sad, but feeling okay when you are by yourself.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. Spending time alone feels difficult for me sometimes.
That's very honest, Mark. Many people feel uncomfortable when they are alone.
When I'm alone, my thoughts become loud.
That happens to many people. Today, we will talk about how being alone can feel safe and gentle. You don't need to change who you are. You just learn to feel comfortable with yourself. Mark, let me ask you something. What does being alone mean to you?
It means no people around me, no talking.
Yes, but does being alone always mean feeling lonely?
I think so. When I'm alone, I feel empty.
That feeling is very common. But being alone and being lonely are different. Being alone means you are with yourself. Being lonely means you want connection, but feel you don't have it.
I never thought about the difference.
Spending time alone can help you understand yourself better. It doesn't mean you don't need people. It just means you can be okay with yourself too.
That idea feels comforting.
Why do you think being alone feels uncomfortable for many people?
Because we are not used to it. We are always with phones or people.
Yes, we are used to noise, messages, screens.
When everything is quiet, I feel strange.
Quiet can feel scary at first. When we are alone, we hear our thoughts more clearly.
And sometimes I don't like my thoughts.
That's okay. You don't need to like every thought. You just need to let them come and go.
That sounds hard.
It can be hard at first, but slowly being alone becomes easier. If being alone feels difficult, it's okay to start small.
How small?
1 minute? 2 minutes? Just sitting quietly.
That feels possible.
You don't need to enjoy it. You just sit and breathe.
I usually try to distract myself.
That's normal. But sometimes staying with yourself is enough.
What should I do during that time?
Nothing special. Notice your breathing. Notice how your body feels.
That feels simple.
Simple is good. Comfort grows slowly. Spending time alone doesn't mean doing nothing.
What can I do alone?
Simple things. Drinking tea. Walking slowly. Sitting by a window.
I usually use my phone.
That's very common. But sometimes try doing one thing without your phone.
I think that would feel strange.
Yes, but strange doesn't mean bad. It means new.
I want to try.
Doing simple things alone helps you feel comfortable in your own company. Mark, let's talk about distractions. When you are alone, what do you usually do?
I use my phone. I watch videos. I scroll.
That's very common. Phones help us avoid uncomfortable feelings.
Yes, when I stop using my phone, I feel uneasy.
That uneasiness is important. It shows you are meeting yourself.
Meeting myself feels strange.
It can feel strange at first, but you don't need to remove all distractions. You can start gently.
How can I do that?
Put your phone down for 5 minutes. Sit. Breathe. Notice your body.
5 minutes feels possible.
Good. Comfort grows when you give yourself small chances. When you are alone without distractions, you may hear your thoughts clearly.
Yes, my thoughts talk a lot.
Yes, my thoughts talk a lot.
Sometimes my thoughts are negative.
You don't need to stop them. You don't need to argue with them.
What should I do then?
Just listen. like you listen to a radio in another room.
So I don't have to believe every thought.
Exactly. Thoughts come and go. You are not your thoughts.
That makes being alone feel safer.
Yes, listening without judging helps you relax. Spending time alone means spending time with yourself.
I never thought of myself as company.
Many people don't, but you are always with yourself.
I'm not sure I like myself very much.
That's okay. You don't need to love yourself right away. You just need to be gentle.
What does that mean?
Talk to yourself kindly. Don't rush. Don't criticize too much.
I usually criticize myself.
Try saying simple, kind words. It's okay. I'm doing my best.
That feels warm.
Comfort grows when you treat yourself like a friend. You can enjoy many activities alone.
Like what?
Walking slowly, reading a few pages, listening to soft music.
I usually think activities are better with people.
Activities with people are wonderful, but activities alone can be peaceful.
I never gave that a chance.
When you do something alone, you don't need to adjust to anyone.
That sounds relaxing.
You can move at your own pace. Stop when you want. Start when you want.
I like that freedom.
That freedom helps you feel comfortable being alone. Let's talk about being alone in public places.
I feel uncomfortable being alone outside.
Many people do. They worry about how they look.
Yes, I feel people are watching me.
Most people are busy with their own thoughts. They don't notice as much as we think.
That's reassuring.
Try simple things. Sit in a cafe. Walk in a park.
Just being there alone?
Yes, you don't need to look busy. You are allowed to exist quietly.
That feels freeing.
Being alone in public can help you feel confident and calm. Mark, many people are afraid of being alone. Do you feel that fear sometimes?
Yes, when I think about being alone for a long time, I feel nervous.
That fear is very human. Being alone can feel like something is missing.
I worry that being alone means something is wrong with me.
That's a very common thought. But being alone does not mean you are broken. It does not mean you are unwanted.
It still feels uncomfortable.
Of course, fear doesn't disappear quickly. But when you stay with yourself gently, the fear becomes quieter.
So I don't need to push the fear away.
No, you can say, "I see you," and continue breathing.
That feels kinder.
Fear often softens when we stop fighting it. When you are alone, how do you talk to yourself?
Honestly, I judge myself a lot.
Many people do. Alone time can make self-judgment louder.
I tell myself I should be better.
That voice can be very tiring. But alone time can also be a chance to practice kindness.
How can I do that?
When you hear judgment, try answering softly. "It's okay. I'm learning."
That feels strange.
Yes, kindness can feel strange at first, but it slowly becomes familiar.
I want alone time to feel gentle.
Gentleness starts with how you speak to yourself. Mark, did you know that alone time can give you energy?
I thought only sleep gives energy.
Sleep is important, but quiet alone time also helps you recharge.
How does it help?
When you are alone, you don't need to respond to others. You don't need to explain yourself.
That feels relaxing.
Your mind can rest. Your body can slow down.
I usually feel tired around people.
That doesn't mean you don't like people. It just means you need balance.
So alone time helps me show up better later.
Exactly. Alone time fills your energy quietly. Spending time alone does not need to be special.
I thought I needed a plan.
No plan is needed. Alone time can be very ordinary.
Like what?
Sitting quietly after work. Walking without headphones. having a simple meal alone.
Those moments happen naturally.
Yes, you don't need to add more to your life. You just allow space.
That feels easier than I expected.
When alone time becomes normal, it feels less scary and more supportive. Mark, how do you feel about being alone now?
I feel calmer. I don't feel so afraid.
That makes me very happy. Being alone does not mean you are empty. You are already complete.
I like being with myself more now.
And to everyone listening, you don't need to escape being alone. You don't need to fill every moment. Spending time alone comfortably is a skill, and you are already learning it.
Thank you for listening with us.
Be gentle with yourself. Your company is enough. See you next time.